Welcome to LumenSoft video tutorials. In this tutorial, you will learn how to customize the toolbar. By this, we mean that you can set the most frequently used screens in these buttons. Instead of accessing the menu for any screen, you can directly access it by clicking on the respective button. To customize the toolbar, from the Utilities menu, select Toolbar Customization. This launches the Toolbar Customization screen. From the User Groups list, you will select the group to which you belong to. The reason for selecting the group is that each group can have separate customization of the toolbar. For example, a user belonging to the administrator group will have toolbar setting different from the user belonging to the head office group. On selecting the group from the list, the menu of the toolbar displays in the grid. The setting of the buttons is in accordance with the menus in the grid. This means that the first button is set according to the menu item selected from the first row in the grid. Similarly, the second button is set according to the menu item selected from the second row in the grid. If you select the status checkbox, this means that this button is enabled in the toolbar. Deselecting it implies that a button is disabled from the toolbar. This is the module name which specifies the module you are using for customizing the toolbar. Click this icon to display the complete list of modules. You can select any of the modules from the list. As you can see that the list is displaying the names of the modules that are also appearing on the top of the screen. From the screen name list, select the screen under the module that you want to set as button in the toolbar. Notice that you can only select a screen under a respective module to create a button in the toolbar. In the Tooltip field, you will type the text that displays when you move the cursor on the button. The product definition tooltip will display when you hover the cursor to the first button on the toolbar. You can also attach an image that is displayed on the button in the toolbar. Click on the Form Image area. This launches the dialog with the folder that contains the images. Double-click or click Enter from the keyboard to select the icon you want to associate with the button. Similarly, you can set the images for the remaining buttons. After this, click Update from the toolbar to save the setting. To view the setting of buttons, log off from the system. On logging in again, you will notice the configured buttons on the toolbar. In case you want to disable any of the buttons, select Toolbar Customization from the Utilities menu. Now select your respective group. From here, deselect the status of the respective button and click Update from the toolbar. Now log off from the system. On logging in again, you will notice that the button is not displaying in the toolbar anymore. This way, you can display or hide buttons on the toolbar and configure the toolbar according to your preference. In this tutorial, you have learned how to configure the toolbar. To learn more, please refer to other videos. Thank you for your attention.